Okay guys, so in this video we are looking at the Pearson EDEXCEL Functional Skills Entry 3 Section A, and it's a non-calculator mathematics sample assessment materials for first teaching September 2019, and the time allowed for this paper is 25 minutes. You'd obviously write your name, sign it, and then date it, okay? You must use obviously black or blue ink. Okay, so there are your instructions. Okay, the total number of marks for this section is 9 marks. Okay, read each question carefully, check your work at the end, and ask it if you don't understand actually any words. Okay, so yeah, so examiners can obviously read it to you, but they obviously can't explain the question, okay, to you. This is question number 1. Lynn moves to a new flat. There are amounts that she spends each month on rent and bills. So rent is £679, bills is £138. Calculate the total of these amounts. Okay, so total just means obviously adding together. So I'm going to have 679 plus 138. Okay, so lining up everything under the correct place value or values. Okay, line up my units column together, line up my tens column, and line up my hundreds column together. Okay, from right to left, 9 plus 8 is going to be 17, so 7 carry the 1. 7 plus 3 is 10, plus the 1 is going to be 11, so 1 carry the 1. 6 plus 1 is going to be 7, plus the 1 is going to be 8. So the total of her rent and bills, okay, is £817, okay? Which seems like a reasonable amount, okay, yeah, especially in this like day and age, yeah, with the whole cost of living actually. So yeah, I think that's actually really fair, okay. So yeah, obviously that is obviously per month, okay. This is question number 2. So Lynn puts DVDs on her shelves. She has 236 DVDs. Each full shelf has 28 DVDs. Okay, how many full shelves of DVDs does Lynn have? Show how many are left over. Okay, so show how many DVDs are left over. So you're working in your answer in the box below. So I'm going to do 236 divided by 28. Now to make this a bit easier, okay, I'm gonna write it as like a fraction. Okay, sorry if actually stammering or stuttering in this video. Okay, so I'm gonna write it obviously as a fraction. I'm gonna divide top and bottom by 2 to make the numbers here a bit easier. So half of 200 here is going to be 100, and then half of 36 is going to be 18, so I'm going to have 118 over 14. Again, I can half it again because they're both even numbers to make the sum a bit easier. So half of 100 is going to be 50, half of 18 is going to be 9, so 59, okay, over 7, okay, because these are what I call like equivalent actually fractions here, okay. And then I can go back here and obviously work out my answer. So 59 divided by 7, okay, that's a bit more easy to obviously actually deal with, okay. So 7 into 59, so that's going to go 8 times, remainder 3. Okay, but let's obviously work it out here. So I'm going to work out, yeah, so 8 lots of 28. Okay, and then we'll look at our remainder. Okay, because 10 lots of 28 will be 280, so that's too big. Okay, so yeah, we'll try 8 lots of it. We're going to get 8, 8 is going to be 64, so 4 carry the 6. Okay, 8 times 2 is going to be 16, plus the 6 is going to be 24. Okay. Sorry, 16 plus 6, sorry, is 22. Sorry, okay, sorry about this, guys. Is 22. Okay, sorry about my mistakes here. Okay. So I'm going to have 8 full shelves in this context. Okay, and then the remainder is going to be 12. Okay, because from 224 to 236, I'm going to add 12 to go from 24 to 36. Okay. For that one, okay, by comparing place values. This is question number 3. Lynn pays for an internet contract. Internet contract is £27 each month for 18 months. How much will Lynn pay in total for the internet contract? Okay, so you're working and you're answering the box below. So I'm going to do 27 times 18. Okay, and again, I can do this here of many different ways, okay, but I'm going to do it on the column method. Okay. So 7, 8 is going to be 56, so 6 carry the 5. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 5 here is going to be 23, so you'll have 23 there. Put a 0 there as a placeholder. Okay, 1 times 7 is 7, and 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, adding my answers together now. Okay, so 6 plus 0 is going to be 6. 3 plus 7 is going to be 10, so 0 carry the 1. Okay, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 here is going to equal 5. So your final answer, guys, here, just obviously move the 1 out of the way, is £506. So over the 18-month period, okay, for £27 a month, okay, Lynn will pay £506, okay, for her internet contract, okay. And again, that obviously sounds obviously fair and reasonable here. Okay. Question number 4. Lynn wants to buy clean liquid, so clean liquid for the flat. She chooses one large bottle or 2 small bottles. Okay, so large bottle, yeah, holds 1 litre. And you got small bottles, 49 here, 429. Okay, does one large bottle have more liquid than 2 small bottles? You must show you're working. Well, 2 small bottles, okay, that'll be 429 milliliters plus 429 milliliters, okay? So, when you work it out, okay, you will get an answer here less than 1,000, okay? So 9 plus 9 is going to be 18, so 8 carry the 1, 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is going to be 5, and then 4 plus 4 is 8. So it's going to be 858 milliliters for 2 small bottles, and then hopefully you're happy that 1 litre, okay, is 1,000 milliliters. So I'm going to multiply that, okay, by 1,000. So 1 times 1,000 is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Okay, so that is a conversion here that you have to actually remember. Yeah, for either your exams or your assessments, okay, whether it's Key Stage 2 SATs, Key Stage 3 exams, GCSE Foundation Tier or GCSE Higher or beyond, okay? So again, okay, so does one large bottle have more liquid? Well, 1,000 is greater than 858, so that proves that yes, one large bottle, okay, of liquid, of clean liquid, yeah, is more than 2 small bottles, okay, yeah, in this context, okay, because 2 lots of 429 is 858, sorry, not 828, okay. So comparing your numbers here, okay, 858 is smaller than 1,000, okay, or 1,000 is greater than or bigger than 858. Okay, so the answer is yes. Okay, so that's my answer for question number 4. Okay, and that's the end of section A. Okay, for the functional skills maths entry 3. Okay, hopefully you found it useful. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell icon so you can be notified. Okay, for further videos for functional skills maths. Okay, Key Stage 1 SAT, Key Stage 2 SAT, and even Key Stage 3 maths. Okay, and the occasional GCSE Foundation Tier exam style videos. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye for now. Take care. All the best, guys.